Best ball, second 9. Pretty good strike on this one. Heading to the green. Looks pretty good. Let's go see what we can do with this. So here's that putt after that last shot.
Think it's that much?
Looked like it was fairly straight. Moves a little bit left.
What do you think, Bob?
I don't think it's a cut, Matt.
I got it like here.
Yes, right on the edge. Right speed, that's all.
See if I can put a good stroke on this.
Right on the edge, right speed.
Oof.
You got it, no you don't.
Man, that was rough. Well, he got a good read off of that, so he should be able to sink this. Yeah, there we go. Birdie.
My man, Bobby.
Just don't. Watch, I can't hit. I'm just.
So we had our troubles on this driving hole here. We had to take Bobby's. It was a little bit left, but that's all we had.
Yeah, you'll skirt that tree with no problem. That's what I'm gonna. That's the way my mindset is.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's there.
All day long. Long. Day
Oh
long.
no, it's okay.
I gotta hit a good one here. Gotta get one close. Gonna try to hit a little nippy one. Hop, stop. Hit it pretty good. Not bad.
Okay. No putter needed.
I'm going back in the house.
Going back to the cart where it's nice and dry.
Oh, that's a shot.
That is a shot.
That's a shot.
That's a bullet.
That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That's perfect, dude. Yes, sir.
Let's get a look at it here.
Get it.
What do you see?
Go left edge.
Yeah, I just say just play right to the cup.
Yep,
No.
left edge.
Yeah.
Left edge.
Yeah.
Don't hit it real hard. Don't hit it where it rolls.
Like a 5-foot putt, right?
There you go. Good analysis. Oh, God, I like it. I like it. Oh, great.
Oh, that's a great
Good
putt,
putt,
man.
Ray.
Nice speed, everything.
Yeah.
Very nice.
He started that on the right a
He
little
gave
bit.
it-
All right,
Man,
par.
mine just
Par's
turned
okay.
in the last second.
Got a little windy on this hole. I had to turn this audio down. Wind was whipping up pretty good. A little bit of rain starting. Bobby hits a good one here though. Nice shot.
I ain't get over green in ages.
Oh, yeah. Come back. Kick left.
Come on.
Kick left. Kick left.
Got it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're putting. Oh, where'd you go?
Cut. Cut in there.
Harder than that pitching wedge.
It's a nice swing. That's all. Let's feel it. That's all.
That's it.
Oh, look at
Great
this.
shot.
Look at this.
Great
Come on,
shot.
sit down, girl.
Oh.
Sit down, girl.
I'm right with the lefties. Look at it. We all lined up together.
Yours is best, though.
That's all we can do.
Get down. I'm like, get down. Get down.
Dude. That's gonna work. That's gonna work.
Stop.
Hard.
A
I
little
had the
softer.
line.
That would have been.
dropped in there.
That would have been.
We got a chance. Oh, no, yeah.
Oh, it's just ducks, man. Boy, that thing ducks hard, don't it?
Watch the hip cover.
Oh, we're good.
Keep cutting. Go. Oh, is it on? Oh, Bobby. Ooh, doggy.
Good ball, man.
Oh, nice
Very
ball.
good. Dead center. That's gonna go a long way.
Took off. It kept rolling.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, hit a good ball.
Yeah, good one.
I'm just gonna hit a nice smooth on that. Nothing crazy. Because I can't get there.
That's perfect, man.
Don't have to get there. You gotta give us a shot for it.
Gotta play nice.
That's all I wanted to do.
Gotta play.
Put one in a nice little playable spot.
Be a number. Be a number.
Go, go.
Come on, get up there. Go.
Way to finish this game.
All right, we finished 7 under par. See what it does. 7 under, boys.
7
Nice
under,
job.
man. Good shot.
Nice job.
Yeah, we gotta do it.
Yes.
Just